Behind every professional design is an artist who pays attention to the smallest details. An expert Photoshop professional understands that great editing is not simply about using powerful tools. It's about creativity, precision, patience, and experience. Every image tells a story, and every edit should enhance that story while preserving its visual harmony. Professional Photoshop editing begins with careful observation. Before making any adjustments, we study the composition, lighting, colors, textures, typography, shadows, highlights, and overall balance of the design. Understanding these elements allows every refinement to blend naturally into the existing artwork. Years of experience make a significant difference. An expert Photoshop editor knows how to analyze visual details, refine layouts, improve typography, match fonts accurately, enhance image quality, adjust colors naturally, and maintain consistency throughout the entire design. Every decision is made with precision to ensure the final result looks clean, polished, and professional. Attention to detail is one of the most valuable qualities of an experienced Photoshop professional. Small improvements in spacing, alignment, proportions, gradients, textures, and visual balance can transform an ordinary design into something truly impressive. These subtle refinements create results that feel natural and visually appealing. Professional editing is also about maintaining consistency. Every color transition, every shadow, every highlight, and every design element should work together in harmony. Rather than making changes that stand out, the goal is to create improvements that blend seamlessly with the original composition. Creativity plays an equally important role. Every project presents unique challenges, requiring thoughtful analysis and a customized approach. Whether refining typography, enhancing visual quality, improving layout balance, or restoring image clarity, each project deserves careful planning and professional craftsmanship. Quality is never achieved by rushing. Every project is reviewed multiple times to ensure accuracy, consistency, and visual excellence. Fine details are inspected closely, while the overall composition is evaluated to confirm that every element contributes to a balanced and polished final result. Professional Photoshop editing is a combination of technical knowledge, artistic vision, and continuous learning. As design trends evolve and creative techniques improve, an expert continues to develop new skills while maintaining the highest standards of quality and precision. Our commitment is simple: to deliver professional Photoshop editing that reflects accuracy, creativity, reliability, and exceptional attention to detail. Every project receives the same level of care, dedication, and craftsmanship, regardless of its complexity. Thank you for listening. For professional Photoshop editing services, feel free to contact us.